Hi guys, welcome to the video. So something a little bit different today. I'm going to be looking at reviewing the GoPro Hero 10 that I got, and they just released the 11 when I bought the 10, which I'm really annoyed about. But I'm going to let you know how I'm getting on with the GoPro Hero 10. Another thing I'm going to talk about is a channel update and where I am with subscribers. Also a name change. Well, if you put in the comments what you think it should be, that'd be awesome. And finally, I'm going to talk about what's happening in November. I was due to go back into Thailand in November, and what the plans are for next year. So let's jump into all of that. Hello, welcome back. So it's been a while, hasn't it? Yeah, we're going to jump straight in with the GoPro review. I bought the GoPro 10 a while back now. I've had a bit of play around with it. I've not made any videos with it really, but I have been playing around with it quite a lot. It was quite difficult to get started with. As somebody that's never used a GoPro before, it's quite difficult to you don't get any instructions with a GoPro. It just turns up in the box. So I tried playing with it for a while, didn't really get anywhere with it, to be honest, and I thought this is maybe not so good actually, but then out of nowhere I just decided to watch a couple of YouTube videos, and once somebody had explained all the functions of the GoPro and how to use it, yeah, it's pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with it. I like it now. I was thinking at one point of giving up on the GoPro and going back to my mobile phone, but no, definitely sticking with the GoPro now. Now I know how to use it, know where all the buttons are. But it's a really bad idea for GoPro not to put instructions in the they put instructions in of how to set it up, you know, instructions of how to start it, where to put the batteries, all the diagrams, you know, they've got all that, but actually functionality of using it, nothing. So thank you YouTube yet again for giving me an awesome video to watch. A couple of things though. The GoPro itself, absolutely fantastic, I love it. I got this mod with it, this media mod. Yeah, you don't really need this. You can attach your flash on the top. It's got a microphone on with a wind stock. I guess the main purpose of this is it has got a port for an external microphone. So if you've got an external microphone, yeah, it might be okay. But I think for everyday use, I'm not going to use it. I don't think I need it. If it's really windy out, I could use it maybe. But I'm having trouble pressing the buttons when the case is on as well, and I don't know why really. I also got this stick with it as well. I can't show you because I'm actually holding the stick now while I'm recording. I'll put a picture up though of what it came with. It is a really good, nifty stick with all the functionality on it. But a few things I've noticed with it really. When it comes as a second battery, so you plug the stick into your GoPro, and it's supposed to charge your GoPro for a lot longer. Now, in theory, that's what it's meant to do. I've tried a few times now, and whether I'm doing something wrong or something else, I don't know, but all it seems to do is drain my battery from my GoPro to the stick, not the other way around. So, yeah, I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or not, but... And another thing as well, the way the stick is designed, you can't use it as a tripod, because if you use it as a tripod, it goes diagonal like that, and the top mounting doesn't move, so you can move the mount up and down, but you can't move it side to side. So when you're slanting your camera on the tripod, you're looking like that, which is pretty pointless again really. You should be able to swivel the top around so you can move it side to side as well as up and down, but the tripod doesn't do that. So yeah, if I plug the extra battery in to charge my GoPro, it ends up draining my GoPro, and it doesn't work as a as a tripod. Great as a shorty, but then there's a shorty out there, so I don't think I'm going to use this tripod either, this handle, to be honest with you. I might take it along fully charged and see if I can get there eventually or not. I don't know with it, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy a couple more batteries and a battery pack recharger. So I've got 3 batteries charged, one in the GoPro and 2 in the charger, and then I've got 3 batteries to last me all day. And also I'm going to buy the shorty because I can use that as a tripod. I can put it down on the table, use it as a tripod, stand it up again, walk around with it. So yeah, I think I might resell this stick I've got and the media mod, I don't know. I might just keep them in the cupboard, you never know when you might need them. I'll probably do that, stick it in a cupboard. So yeah, overall, the GoPro, I'm filming on the GoPro now. The sound's good. The picture's good. I'm filming in 4K, 30 linear. Loads of settings you can do. I'm not going to do a tutorial on how to use a GoPro, but I recommend there are some good videos on YouTube. And that's my review on the GoPro. Was it worth buying? Yes. Am I happy with it? I am now. Anything I'd do differently? I would maybe not buy the media mod and the fancy stick, and maybe just gone for the normal shorty and the extra batteries. That's what I think I would do different next time. But yeah, I'm really annoyed that I bought the GoPro 10 and within a week of it arriving the GoPro 11 came out, which I was totally not expecting. So I was like, yes, I've got the newest GoPro, and oh no, I haven't anymore. That's the GoPro anyway. GoPro review. Okay, so we're going to talk about the channel. I've had a really good video on the channel. It was the Pattaya Pride video. I am still getting now 1,000 views a month, which for me is amazing, and I'm getting subscribers from it as well. So I've gone from 200 odd subscribers to I'm just short of 500 subscribers now. I thank you all so much. It's so good of you. It's awesome. My main goal is to get to 1,000, and yeah, it's looking like it's getting there now. So I'm halfway there. When I get to 1,000, obviously that's the mark where, you know, things happen, monetization, all that sort of thing. You also formalize your channel basically as well. And I don't like the name of the channel, Richard's Thailand. I just called it Richard's Thailand because it was in haste. And there is another Richard's Thailand as well on YouTube, a Thai bloke. I believe I was there first, but hey, there's another one out there. And I just don't like the name. So before I get to that 1,000 subscriber mark and you get your own link name, your official link name, I want to rename the channel. I've got no idea what to rename it. That's a problem. I'm hoping you guys might come up with some good examples. So if you can put in the comments any good names you think you could put in for me to look at, that would be absolutely amazing, because I'm drawing blank on good names. I'm not just interested in Thailand. I'm looking at going to Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia as well, and I don't know where I'm going to end up, but Thailand's going to be the main focus obviously. So it could be named Thailand, it could be named Asian something, it could be just named something completely different, but I'm drawing a complete blank. I've got zero creativity. So if you guys have got any ideas of what I could call the channel, what I could change it to before I have to finalize the links, yeah, that'd be absolutely awesome of you. So let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for subscribing as well. Nearly 1,000. Woo. Sorry, now we're going to talk about holidays. I was coming back in November. Price of flights are ridiculous. I'm not coming back in November, unfortunately. Sorry if you guys wanted videos in November, but I'm going to go somewhere else. I'm going to go to Benidorm. I've already booked. I'm going away. I'm going away for a week to Benidorm, but I've got like 3 weeks off in November. So I don't know whether to do any videos in Benidorm. It's not really this sort of channel, I don't think, is it? You know, being Thailand based, I don't think you guys want to see Benidorm, do you? I don't know, maybe let me know if you want to see some of Benidorm. I'm staying smack bang in the old town of Benidorm. I've never been before, so I'm really looking forward to going, but maybe let me know if you want to see some of that. I don't think I will, to be honest. I think I'll just have a week off. And as for January, I am still going in January for 6 weeks, so, or maybe 5 weeks, and I'll be staying in Pattaya at my friend's hotel for the first week, and I'll be looking at an apartment for the second 4-week slot month. So I'll be renting an apartment out either in Pattaya or Chiang Mai or somewhere else. I'm not against going down south, to be honest with you. So we'll see. But yeah, flights in January are looking really good, so I can't see that being a problem. Thanks for watching, guys. I know it's been a bit of a mishmash of a video, this one. It's a bit of an update on the Hero 10 GoPro, a bit of a channel update. Let me know if you've got any name ideas, put them in the comments. I really need help with that, guys. And yeah, November we're in Benidorm, January we're in Thailand. So I'll see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching. See you later.